celebrating World Immunization Day, the power of vaccines. Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel Name. Today we're celebrating World Immunization Day. This is a day to recognize the incredible role vaccines play in protecting our health and the health of everyone around us. We get to celebrate how far we've come in the fight against preventable diseases. Imagine a world without the fear of polio or measles. That's the power of vaccines. In this video, we'll dive into why immunization is so important, share some fascinating facts, and talk about what we can all do to help spread awareness. Let's get started! So why do we dedicate an entire day to immunization? Well, it's not just about celebrating medical breakthroughs. It's about acknowledging the global effort to protect people from preventable diseases. World Immunization Day, observed every year on November 10th, serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of vaccines. Think of it as a global health party where we celebrate the superheroes of the medical world, vaccines. They've helped us combat diseases that once plagued humanity, saving millions of lives along the way. You see, vaccines aren't just about personal protection, they're about building a healthier future for everyone. When we vaccinate ourselves and our loved ones, we contribute to something called herd immunity. It's a beautiful concept where a high percentage of vaccinated individuals act as a shield, protecting those who are unable to get vaccinated due to medical reasons. This day is a testament to the relentless work of scientists, doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers who dedicate their lives to keeping us healthy. It's a day to reflect on how far we've come in the fight against preventable diseases and acknowledge the importance of continued research and innovation in the field of immunization. Let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible impact of vaccines. Imagine a world where diseases like polio, measles, and rubella, which once caused widespread fear and suffering, are now preventable. That's the power of immunization. Vaccines are like tiny warriors that train our bodies to fight off harmful invaders. They introduce a weakened or inactive form of a virus or bacteria, prompting our immune system to develop antibodies without causing the actual disease. This means that if we ever encounter the real deal, our immune system is armed and ready to fight back, preventing serious illness. Think of it like this: vaccines give our immune systems a sneak peek at the enemy, allowing them to develop a battle plan in advance. So when the real threat arrives, our bodies are prepared to neutralize it before it can cause any harm. And the best part, the protection offered by vaccines extends beyond just individuals. When enough people in a community are vaccinated, it creates a safety net known as herd immunity. This means that even those who are unable to get vaccinated, such as newborns, elderly individuals, or people with compromised immune systems, are protected because the spread of the disease is significantly reduced. It's like building a protective shield around our communities, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their vaccination status, has a fighting chance against preventable diseases. So remember, when you get vaccinated, you're not just protecting yourself, but also playing a vital role in safeguarding the health of your loved ones and your community. Now, who doesn't love some fun facts? Let's dive into the fascinating world of vaccines. Did you know the first vaccine was developed in 1796? Dr. Edward Jenner observed milkmaids with cowpox were immune to smallpox. This led to the creation of the first vaccine. Remember polio? Thanks to Dr. Jonas Salk's vaccine, it's nearly eradicated. Vaccines have changed the course of history. Vaccines aren't just for humans, pets benefit too. They protect pets from diseases like rabies and parvovirus. Getting vaccinated is an act of kindness to those around us. It protects vulnerable populations who can't receive vaccines. The world of vaccines is constantly evolving. Researchers are developing new vaccines to combat challenging diseases. In today's world, where information spreads at lightning speed, it's easy to forget the dangers of diseases that have been largely eradicated or controlled through vaccination. World Immunization Day serves as a crucial reminder that these diseases haven't vanished entirely. They're still present in many parts of the world, and complacency could easily lead to their resurgence. The stories of those who lived before the advent of vaccines, who witnessed firsthand the devastating effects of these preventable diseases, serve as stark reminders of why we can't afford to become complacent. World Immunization Day is a global call to action, urging individuals, healthcare professionals, and policymakers to prioritize vaccination efforts and ensure equitable access to vaccines for all. It's a day to advocate for increased funding for vaccine research and development, strengthen healthcare systems to improve vaccine delivery, and combat misinformation that undermines public trust in vaccines. This day highlights the critical role of immunization in achieving global health goals. It's a reminder that vaccines are one of the most cost-effective public health interventions available, saving millions of lives and reducing the burden of infectious diseases worldwide. Investing in immunization programs translates to healthier populations, reduced healthcare costs, and stronger economies. World Immunization Day is a powerful platform to amplify the voices of those who have been personally affected by vaccine-preventable diseases. Sharing their stories helps humanize the issue, reminding us that behind the statistics are real people whose lives have been forever changed by vaccines. These personal accounts serve as powerful testimonials to the life-saving impact of immunization. Finally, this day is about celebrating the unsung heroes of public health. The scientists, researchers, healthcare workers, and volunteers who work tirelessly to develop, distribute, and administer vaccines. Their dedication and commitment often go unnoticed, but their contributions are immeasurable in protecting global health. World Immunization Day is not just a day for passive observance, it's a call to action for each of us to become advocates for vaccination. You don't need a medical degree to make a difference. Here are some simple yet effective ways you can spread awareness about the importance of vaccines. First, get informed. Knowledge is power. Start by educating yourself about vaccines, how they work, their safety profile, and their impact on public health. Reliable sources of information include the World Health Organization, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and reputable medical websites. Next, start conversations. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Engage in open and honest conversations with your family, friends, colleagues, and even your social media followers about the importance of vaccination. Share your knowledge, address any concerns they might have, and encourage them to get vaccinated. Also, share verified information. In the age of social media, misinformation can spread like wildfire. Be a responsible digital citizen by sharing only credible and accurate information about vaccines from reputable sources. Avoid sharing sensationalized or misleading content that could fuel vaccine hesitancy. Support vaccination efforts. Many organizations work tirelessly to promote vaccination and ensure equitable access to vaccines globally. Consider supporting these organizations through donations, volunteering your time, or simply helping them spread awareness about their work. Finally, be a role model. Actions speak louder than words. By staying up to date on your own vaccinations and ensuring your loved ones are vaccinated, you're setting a positive example for those around you. As we celebrate World Immunization Day, let's take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to the countless individuals who have made the miracle of vaccines possible. To the brilliant scientists and researchers who dedicate their lives to unraveling the complexities of diseases and developing life-saving vaccines, your tireless efforts have spared countless lives and brought hope to millions around the world. We stand in awe of your dedication and scientific breakthroughs. To the dedicated healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and community health workers who are on the front lines of immunization efforts, your compassion, expertise, and unwavering commitment to public health are truly inspiring. You are the unsung heroes who bridge the gap between science and society, ensuring that vaccines reach those who need them most. To the policymakers, global health organizations, and philanthropists who champion the cause of vaccination, your leadership, advocacy, and financial support are instrumental in making vaccines accessible to all, regardless of geographical location or socioeconomic status. Your commitment to global health equity is shaping a healthier and more equitable future for generations to come. And to every individual who chooses to get vaccinated, you are not just protecting yourself, but also contributing to the well-being of your community and the world. Your decision to vaccinate is an act of solidarity, demonstrating your understanding of the interconnectedness of global health. Together, we can create a world where preventable diseases are a distant memory. Remember, vaccines are not just about individual health, they're about collective responsibility. By choosing to vaccinate, we're not just protecting ourselves, but also safeguarding the health of our loved ones, our communities, and future generations. Let's continue to champion the cause of vaccination, spread awareness, and work together to build a healthier and more equitable world for all. Thanks for joining me today as we celebrated the power of vaccines. Remember, by staying informed and getting vaccinated, we can all play a part in creating a healthier world. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy World Immunization Day!